Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be off the chain insane because we're about to blow your minds with some seriously useful life hacks. I'm talking about those everyday problems you never even knew had such simple solutions. We're going to show you how to dominate life with rubber bands, clothespins, and a bunch of other stuff you probably have lying around the house. Stick around because you won't want to miss these. Alright guys, first up we've got a hack that's going to change the way you move around your house forever. Ever get annoyed having to constantly turn that doorknob every time you walk through a door? We've all been there. But fear no more. With this one simple trick, you'll be gliding through your house like a ninja. Take a regular rubber band, any size will do, and loop it around one doorknob. Then stretch it over to the other doorknob and loop it around. Boom! You've just created a temporary doorstop that'll keep that door open for you. No more fumbling with doorknobs, you're free to roam. Next up, we're tackling a problem as old as time itself, hammering nails without smashing your fingers. We've all been there, right? You're holding the nail in place, sweat dripping down your forehead, and bam! You hit your thumb instead. Talk about a buzzkill. But don't worry, this next hack is so simple you'll be kicking yourself for not thinking of it sooner. Grab a clothespin. Yeah, the ones your grandma uses to hang laundry. Now instead of risking life and limb by holding that nail with your bare hands, just use the clothespin to grip it for you. It'll hold the nail steady, giving you the perfect angle to hammer away without turning your thumb into ground beef. You're welcome. Let's face it, our keyboards are disgusting. Think about all the crumbs, dust bunnies, and unidentifiable particles that accumulate between those keys. It's enough to make you want to wear gloves every time you type. But don't worry, I've got the perfect hack to keep your keyboard looking fresher than a brand new dollar bill. Grab a sticky note, you know, those colorful squares of paper that are somehow always stuck to the bottom of your backpack. Now fold the sticky side over itself, creating a double-sided sticky weapon of keyboard cleanliness. Slide that bad boy between your keys and watch in amazement as it picks up all the gunk. Your keyboard will be sparkling in no time. Next up, we're taking our talents to the backyard barbecue. We've all been to those barbecues where the condiment situation is a chaotic mess. Ketchup bottles rolling around, mustard splattered everywhere. It's enough to give you a condiment-induced panic attack. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the ultimate hack to turn you into the king or queen of condiments. Forget those flimsy paper plates, we're bringing out the big guns, the muffin tin. Yeah, you heard me right, just grab a muffin tin and fill each little cup with your favorite condiments. Ketchup, mustard, relish, onions, you name it. This way, everyone can customize their burgers and hot dogs to their heart's content, and you can avoid a condiment catastrophe. Last but not least, we're tackling the tangled mess of cables that seems to plague us all. Whether it's your computer desk, your TV stand, or that one drawer in your house that's become a black hole for all things electronic, tangled cables are the worst. But fear not, my friends, because I've got a hack that's so simple, it'll make you wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. Gather up all your binder clips, you know, those metal clips that are always mysteriously disappearing from your desk drawer. Now clip those bad boys to the edge of your desk or any surface where you have cables hanging down. Thread your cables through the metal loops and voila! You've just created your own personal cable management system. No more tangled messes, no more frustration, just pure cable taming bliss. Thanks for watching. If you found these tricks helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome life hacks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop a new video. Seriously, hit that bell. We've got some crazy ideas coming up and you don't want to miss out. See you in the next video.